It is Randy, the king of us solar screens here, folks. I'm here to unveil a brand new look. As you guys know, I am a proud veteran. I am a 5th generation veteran. Our shirts have had this nice little symbol with the solar screen name in it for what, 20 years? My Lord have mercy. Well, folks, as of right now, I'm unveiling the brand new look. Oh, it's still pink, but oh my Lord, I got the soldier kneeling at the cross, thanking God. Woo! And the American flag, because hey, that's what this country stands for. So, well, I guess I have some new garden dirty shirts to wear. Thank you everyone for 20 plus years of just doing what we do great, what we do the best. My wife and I, we have enjoyed this thoroughly. And folks, I look forward to continue to serve you and do all I can to make your energy bills low. Woo, you guys be blessed.